Hello, my name is Omar Rampersad. It's February 9th, Saturday, 2019 at 2:47 p.m. in Toronto. So I'm going to demonstrate today, just give you a small sample of how I'm tagged. So my hand is tagged. At a very low level. The power is turned down. And before I do that, I'm going to show you the temperature around my body right now. It's 25.5. So I'm going to place this right here next to me. And I'm also going to take my blood pressure. So it is 134/89. So I'm going to continue my video here, and the temperature next to my body went up to 26.1. So tagged hand. And the power went down. But I'm still tagged. My jaw. See, there's a faint reading there. The hand is tagged for sure. Very low level. So if the power is turned off and the jaw is tagged, see when I move, you get a signal. If the power is turned down, then the pressure that I just took should go down when I take it. My obliques is tagged. I just got a pulse of pain on my side, on the side of my back. So see, the power varies second to second. So the hand, the left hand, right hand, right arm, left, no radiation. So, but I'm still tagged. Low level, low frequency. Temperature went up to 26.1. So my hand is hot because my hand is tagged, as I just demonstrated. So I'm just going to hold the thermometer for about 30 to 40 seconds. So it's 3:39, 3 minutes 39 seconds. Let me see what the temperature jump is in a few seconds. So it's 4 minutes, 15 seconds. And there is no temperature change yet. So let me see how long it takes to get a temperature change. It's not been quite a minute yet. It's been a minute now, 4 minutes, 35 seconds. Because sometimes there's a delay factor in the thermometer. And there we go. About a minute and a half. 27. So there is a temperature change. Takes about a minute. So I'm going to take my blood pressure again. And I could feel my heart rate increase. So it's 139 over 93. So there is a change. So let's do the heart rate. There's a small change. Because the power is turned down. And the heart rate is 98. Yeah, 98. So there is a definite consistency in my findings. The heart rate and the blood pressure goes up when the power is turned up, when I'm consistently tagged, even though the power is low. So I'm going to do another little experiment for you. This is an earthing material. It's conductive. So it's not grounded at the moment. I didn't plug it in to the grounding. I didn't plug it in. So the plug that is attached to this, the outlet that's attached to this, if I had the plug that would have gone into this, is not. So it's unattached right now. So I'm going to show you what the reading is on the material. The power seemed to be turned off. The tags seem to have gone. Oh. But there is a measurement on the detector when I point it to the conductive material. See that? That's my hand. That's the material. That's my hand. That's the material. So the material, the part of the material that's not attached, that's not touching my body, is giving a reading. It's a conductive material. It conducts electricity, basically. So this is what happens to your body when you're pulsed with electromagnetic radiation. The electrical currents in your body that builds up. So when you ground it, your body is drained of that electrical current. That is not normal. It's too high when you're continuously pulsed. It causes heat, like I just demonstrated. My hand is burning. And heat, excess heat for a long period of time, when your body is heated up excessively for a long period of time in this way, it causes inflammation. And I had a high D-dimer test a few weeks ago, 8,200 when it should be less than 500, when the radiation around my body was excessively high for a long period of time. Causes inflammation, clots. It also constricts your blood vessels, so it causes your heart rate to increase because your heart has to work harder to push the blood through the veins, which increases your blood pressure, all of which I just proved. And I proved in other videos as well. Talk to you another time.